Welcome to Sara Cooks for You. Today I'm making chili cheese garlic bread. This is an example of a very simple recipe. It hardly takes any time and it tastes equally delicious, and your family is really going to enjoy this recipe. So you can make this garlic bread at home in under 5 minutes, and that's what I believe in, serving good food in less time. For this I've used about 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, about 1/4 teaspoon mixed herbs or oregano, about 1 teaspoon of chopped coriander, half a teaspoon of finely chopped green chili. You can also replace it with red chili flakes, mozzarella cheese, and butter, about 100 grams. And bread, of course, you can use white or brown bread. The quantities are not fixed. You can use any amount of it, like you can add it to your taste. So we'll add all these to the butter, the garlic, the oregano or the mixed herbs, chili and coriander. You can also increase the quantity of garlic if you want it more garlicky. So you can add even up to 1.5 tablespoons to it. Just mix it and your herbed butter is ready. And we're going to apply this butter to the bread slices. It's as simple as this. You don't need a sandwich maker. You don't need an oven to make this garlic bread at home. And it smells amazing. When I was making this at home, my kids came up running to me and they told me that the house is smelling like Pizza Hut. So that's a great compliment for such a simple and easy recipe. So I took the other slice of bread and I'm adding mozzarella cheese to it. You can also add in cheddar cheese or cheese slices. Now let's heat a pan or a tawa, and I place the bread slice with the butter side down, and onto this slice we'll add some more butter. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give me a thumbs up if you like this recipe. Let's flip it over and cook it on the other side as well. It's as simple as this and the sandwich is ready. So using this butter you can make at least 5 to 6 sandwiches. And it's very easy to mix this. You can make it in a minute if it gets over. So the sandwich is ready to be served. So the cheese chili garlic bread is ready. It tastes absolutely delicious. You can serve it along with your favorite dips like tomato ketchup, mayo, or any other dip of your choice. It's as simple as this. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comments section if you tried it. You can also make this recipe with your children this summer.